We are just days away from the historic soft landing of India's Chandrayaan-3 near the moon's south pole. This is just the start of India's moon ambitions. ISRO plans far bolder missions. It's also part of the Human Moon Mission program, which is NASA-led Artemis Accords. And moon mining is also on the agenda. Can the moon power the whole of India by 2030, as reported earlier? India has been joined by Russia in an epic race to the moon's south pole, with Russian Lunar 25 set for landing within hours of Chandrayaan-3. Japan's JAXA is also launching this month, while US and China have already landed probes. Human astronauts will return to the moon this decade under the Artemis Accords. It's a lunar gold rush. But what's the sudden hurry? What secrets does our moon hide? What's helium-3 and why is it important? The moon is over 384,000 kilometers or 238,000 miles away from our planet. It is estimated to hold 1 million tons of rare helium-3. This isotope of helium can become fuel for nuclear energy. Helium-3 is not even radioactive, which means the nuclear energy it produces would be clean and abundant. However, it's going to be a Herculean task to first assemble so much mining equipment on the lunar surface, mine it with robots assuming the primary role, and then transporting it back to Earth in a cost-effective manner. Sivathanu Pillai, an ISRO professor, had earlier claimed that all of India's energy needs could be met by helium-3 mined from the moon by 2030. Which rare earth metals can be found on the moon? The list includes yttrium and scandium, which are used in advanced tech like computers or smartphones. Can the moon sustain long-term human presence? The moon's south pole has been chosen as Chandrayaan-3 landing spot due to the expected presence of water ice. Some large craters here are permanently shielded from sunlight, which increases the chances of sustaining water ice beneath the surface. Water would be essential for any future human presence, for astronauts, and for any industrial processes. What regulations govern lunar mining? The legal landscape in this domain is hazy. The Outer Space Treaty of 1966, a United Nations agreement, says no nation can claim sovereignty over the moon or any other celestial body. So what does Chandrayaan-3 aim to achieve? Chandrayaan-3, a follow-up mission to Chandrayaan-2, is designed to demonstrate India's proficiency in a safe landing on the moon and expertise in deploying a rover or instruments on the moon's surface. With the Chandrayaan-3, ISRO hopes to perfect the process of launch, lunar transit, and a soft landing on the Earth's celestial neighbor for any future missions.